It may come as a surprise, but when you mix rain, bears, and the in-laws, you actually get a pretty cool fishing trip. Nice, I think that one's good. Nice. Real. Nice. Real. Keep it tight, keep it tight.
Nice, baby.
I was like, damn. It's fighting like it's in the mouth.
Get out of here. Go. Stand in front of me, Mom. Go right there.
2018 was not a great sockeye run. Looking at online fish counts, we can see a 3-year decline for the river in this video. 2016 had a count above 57,000 fish, whereas 2018 in comparison had less than half that, at right above 22,000 fish. I blame an overall lack of rain this past summer compared to the previous years. For me, rain is usually a bad thing for fishing, but on this day, it brought good luck. Nice. Real. Keep it tight, keep it tight. You want to always keep the line tight, but when he runs, let him run. Might be a war. All right, when he does that, let him run. Like that, let him run. Good.
Come on back, Dad.
Real. Oh, let him run. Pull. Slide him right up on the beach.
All the way up to the beach.
Right on the beach. Pull.
About 2 of these?
Yep, 2 a day.
Nice.
So present that side, look good. Mike, first sockeye. Right on, man. Good job. Mike's second sockeye in like 15 minutes.
Woo, buddy.
He's fighting like it's in the mouth. Ready yet?
It's a workout, isn't it, on that one hand? It's kind of a weird grip.
There you go, working him.
You're trying to distract me.
Holy cow.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, no, he's there.
Watch out, Mom.
Watch your fingers. When he runs, get your hand away from that reel.
My hand's not near the reel.
Well, that's only when he runs, because it'll spin out and like slap your fingers. That one's good. Nice. Real. Keep that rod tip up.
Keep that tip up, Lisa.
We got a salmon caddy.
Yay!
Lisa's first Kodiak sockeye.
I'm hold my here, just like this.
Put your finger through his gill.
Put your finger like this. Or your thumb.
Perfect. Right on. Sweet.
Look at me.
Oh, damn.
Don't lose him.
You almost went over the top of that branch, but don't lose the fish trying to get the picture.
Come on, Mama bear it.
Beautiful. Good looking fish. There we go.
Okay. Oh, kill rack.
First sockeye of the day.
Woo!
Come on, buddy.
Come on, baby. Put on a show.
Tired out now, right?
I think so. We might go for it. Hit it. Hit it, baby. I'd say that's about as legal as it gets, man.
Yeah. It's a good one.
That's in the mouth.
Nice. Yeah, but I don't.
There you go, baby. Up on shore. Up on shore. Up on shore. You.
Feel it.
Mr. Fishy.
Get your bigger rock. Well, get over there. Can't go over here.
I wanted to see what you got.
You got a big fish.
Looks like a shark. Fish on. That is a good one.
Cool.
Big old buck.
Fish on. Yeah, he's scoping them. Right,
Smile, babe. Mom, go in front. I'm filming it.
No.
Mom, stand in front of me.
Do it. Might have to pitch all these fish. Do it. He's got a lot longer legs than I thought he would have. Yeah, he's...
Oh, he's coming down.
Get out of
Go
here.
back up. Get out of
Woo!
here.
Go away, bear.
Come on,
Whoa.
Get. Out.
He's been up to the neck in the water though, man.
Keep going.
Get out of here. Go.
You didn't stand in front of me, Mom. Go right there.
Get out of here. Yo. Hey, Colt. Nikki wants to get a picture with the bear in the background. Can you make it?
Well, I was filming.
As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you guys feel like it. Till next time.